In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a jersey on Canva vintage jersey. We'll walk through creating a classic, retro-inspired jersey design from start to finish, keeping things simple and practical so you can follow along and get print-ready results. First, open Canva in your browser or the app. In the search bar, type t-shirts or jerseys to bring up the right canvas size and layout options. If you already have a strong idea, choose a blank template to build from scratch. If you'd like a jump start, pick a pre-made sports template that's close to your vision. You can always swap colors, fonts, and graphics as you go. To preview your idea on a realistic shirt, head to the apps section and search for mockups. Choose a t-shirt or apparel mockup that fits your style and drag it onto the canvas. This gives you an instant sense of scale and placement. Resize it so the shirt fills most of the page, and keep your design layered above it so you can see exactly how it will sit on a real jersey. Now let's craft the vintage look. Go to the Elements tab and search for vintage jersey logo designs, crest-style icons, stripes, and classic symbols. Think about old-school badges, minimal shapes, and symmetrical layouts. Layer your elements so the most important pieces sit on top, and use simple color combinations that feel retro, like off-whites, deep reds, navy, or muted greens. If something feels too busy, reduce the number of elements or lower transparency slightly to calm the design. Add the player details using the text tool. Choose bold, block-style sports fonts for names and numbers, then apply the outline effect to add thickness and emphasis. Keep names legible and numbers strong, and position them as you would on the back of a jersey. Align elements carefully so names and numbers are centered and balanced with the rest of the design. Fine-tune the size, position, and orientation of every element. Step back and check spacing, symmetry, and hierarchy. Group related pieces when you're happy with their arrangement so you can move them together without losing alignment. A quick zoom out helps you judge balance the way it will appear in real life. When you're satisfied, download your design. For printing, choose a high-resolution PNG, and enable a transparent background if you want the fabric color to show through. A PDF is also a solid option if your printer prefers it. If you'd rather skip handling printing yourself, you can order directly through Canva's t-shirt printing service by selecting your size, style, and quantity. That's it. Thanks for watching.